Hi everyone, it is new makeup tutorial now, and I want to show you light smoky eyes with some eyeliner and with some little colorful accent on the eyes. I don't want to do my video boring, so I will do my face preparation pretty fast, and all list of products which I using now is down in info box. I'm finished with my face, and let's start with eyes. And the base for our eye makeup today will be NYX Lingerie Cream Eyeshadows in number 01, and over it I will apply Natasa Denona Mini palette, Mini Sunset palette. So as base first we apply our cream eyeshadows all over my lid. Can help myself to blend with the finger. I just need some sticky base and blend on the edges, and I'm packing this middle color at the smoky eye all over my eyes, on lower part and on upper part. Create like a light smoky eyes. In real life it's look not so orangey, and I grab this first color with a fluffy brush, light touch of it, and apply it under brow and all over the blending. It will help me to blend all edges very softly. I take a bronzy color pencil and apply it to waterline, and I take black eyeshadow and apply it under lashes just to intensify the transition of color. Next, what I will do, I will draw eyeliner with help of my favorite Essence little eyeliner, which I found out for myself just a few days ago, and I really like it. So I had to draw eyeliner on my two sides, and after we will add little accent of color for this smoky. I also want to remind to my new subscribers that all videos which I do on myself, it's not like a very complicated makeups, it's pretty makeups which you can repeat at home for yourself. I do not use any difficult techniques, I do not use a lot of brushes, so you can repeat it and you have chance to duplicate it on your own. And it doesn't matter that you have to use same palettes or same products, you can use any color you want which is closer to mine, and it's, believe me, it's really simple makeups. The idea of all of that YouTube channel is to give you inspiration with makeup, to give you tutorial which you can repeat professionally or on your own. So if you want some, if you have some ideas, please write me under so I can read and do some makeups for you. Finished with my eyeliner, and with the help of Inglot gel number 85, it's like a green in color, I will add little accents in inner corner and near my eyeliner. For lips I will do a very neutral color. I just want to add a little highlighter essence. So we are are done with our makeup. It's a little bit bright idea for you for some spring makeups. Of course, for every day you will not use this sort of makeup, but I hope this makeup is inspire you to do something more colorful or add a little bit of color on your face. Don't forget to visit my Instagram page because a lot of makeup inspiration is there for you. So thank you for watching, and write the comments below. Like always, thank you for subscribing, thank you for comments. It's really inspiring me to do more and more videos. It's pretty complicated to find time for that, but I really do my best. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Because all inspiration is there.